Are you a small business owner that's tired of the hassle of generating your pay stubs for your employees and quotes for your clients? ABMBooks is a software solution that lets you create your quotes, invoices, and pay stubs in just minutes. Let me show you how easy it is. First, head over to ABMBooks.com and log in. On the dashboard, you'll see a range of amazing features that includes the option of issuing your quotes, invoices, recording payments, management payroll, and tracking expenses. For today, I'll show you how to add your customer to the system. Start by clicking on the customer button, which will take you directly to the customer management page. Next, click Add Customer in the top right corner. A form will appear where you can fill in your new customer's details. For instance, if you're a plumber, you can enter all your customers' information such as name, address, email, phone number. Since we're in Alberta, that default tax will be set to GST only. Be sure to include the tax business GST number if applicable. Once you've filled out the form, click Save and voila! Your customer is successfully added. Now I'll walk you through the process of creating your quotes using ABMBooks. It is super easy and it will help you manage your business more efficiently. First, click on the quotes section. This will take you directly to the page where you can add a new quote. You'll be prompted to select a customer's name from drop down and then name your quote. Once you fill these details, click Save. Next, you'll select a manual entry. This is where you fill your quote's items. For example, if you're a general contractor, you can add a description of the job, whether an estimate or an actual job like installing new pipes or installing a new roof. Then, fill in with the quantity, set it to 1, for now assuming the job would take an hour. Enter the unit price or an hourly rate, and the tax type for this instance will be GST since we're in Alberta, so make sure that's selected. So if you have discounts offer, click on the discounts field and enter the amount dollars. Finally, click Save and your quote will be successfully saved. You see, it's that easy. On the right hand side, you'll find some extra options. You can choose to send the quotes via email or print, download it directly. For example, let's send an email. Click on the email option, enter the recipient's email address, and press send. You'll get a notification confirming the email was sent successfully. Now we'll continue updating the stats of the quote and invoice. On your screen, you will see a message asking if you want to change the status of this quote. Let's go ahead and click Yes to approve it. Once approved, you'll get a confirmation message letting you know that the quote has been successfully updated. Now, if you navigate to the invoice section, you'll see the approved quote we just worked on. You can click on the magnifying glass icon to check the invoice details, including the customer's information and description of the services or a product. Here, we have a simple invoice with an outstanding amount of $148.50 to be collected. To process a payment, click Take on Payment. You'll then prompted to select the payment method. Let's choose credit card as a method that your client will be paying on for this example. Make sure the payment amount matches the invoice to clear the balance, which is $148.50. In this case, you can add a description if needed, and finally click Save to clear the balance and you will see a confirmation message indicating that your payment was successfully added. The invoice will display the total, any discounts, or an amount paid. Voila! This is how you generate your quotes. If you need to print the invoice or print it,